teddy bear, the kind of friend who'll follow you just anywhere. A pal who simply likes to hang around because he's found that you like him hanging around. So he's your teddy bear. Teddy bear, there isn't any doubt about who's your teddy bear. The way you carry him under your arm, he's safe from harm, and he prefers being with you, 'cause he's your teddy bear. It doesn't really matter how worn his fur might be, or if the places he's been patched leave stitches you can see. It doesn't matter if his eyes don't look as good as new. All that really matters is that he still loves you. And he's your teddy bear. He's right there when you need him. He's your teddy bear. He'll go where you will lead him. If you're sick or if you're well, it's always swell having him there, 'cause he's your teddy bear. It doesn't really matter how worn his fur might be, or if the places he's been patched leave stitches you can see. It doesn't matter if his eyes don't look as good as new. All that really matters is that he still loves you. And he's your teddy bear. Somehow none of your other toys can quite compare. The one you will remember when your hair has turned to gray, then you will say, I still recall my favorite teddy bear. Teddy bear. When I'm looking out my window, people come and go. I'm just looking out my window. Hey, there's someone that I know. If he knew it was me watching him, he probably would stop and say hello. It's really quite a show. Looking out my window. When I'm looking out my window, clouds go drifting by. I'm just looking out my window. There's a butterfly. If she knew I was there, she might fly away. So I'm glad the butterfly doesn't know. It's really quite a show. Looking out my window, I can see. Tree swaying lazily, stretching its branches in the breeze. And every hour another flower opens its petals just to entertain the bees. When I'm looking out my window, everything is new. Looking out my window is my favorite thing to do. Each and every day something's different. There are days when you can watch the rain turn to snow. It's really quite a show. Looking out my window.